sizojonga i-inverse function. So the only inverse function enzayijonga apha i-exponential function because yona i-examiner kakhulu. Okay, so lena i-part is for grade 12 only, le video. Okay, fine. Now apha okokuqala kule graph i-blue is equation yethu ngu-y equals 2 to the exponent x plus o3. Lena ngapha i-red ngu-g, f lena i-blue, u-g li-red. Equation yangu ngu-y equals 2 to the x. Now Thomas fumane the equation of the inverse function ka-g neka f. So masiqale ngeka-g. Okay, inverse function ka-g, inverse function ba nala exponent in negative part. So g of x. Okay, so sifumane inverse function yalena i-function. Okay, and then kuze sifumane inverse function neyiphi na i-function senza the same thing lento sizanza kubonisa yona apha. Okay, uyapha kula graph kula function yakho, kula equation yakho, and then endaweni ka-y ubeko x, endaweni ka-x ubeko y. Okay, wenza loo leyo. First thing you do xa ufuna ntoni equation ya inverse function yakho. So endaweni ka-x sibeke y, endaweni ka-y sibeke x. Fine. And then into esibini sizama uyenza apha zama ntoba apha siyirewrite le nto as y equals something because i-function abangu-y equals blah 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 no x. Okay, so sizama uba lo y wethu angabe ku-exponent but abe kwintoni, abe at the base. Kuze senze loo nto leyo sifake log kweli cala lika-x, log of x. Okay, kuze sithi get rid of la exponent phayana apha ngofaka i-log apha sisisuse la exponent nala base ngapha, thatha lo 2 uzombhala apha, and then this equals to y. Then uyigqibile uyifumana ntoni equation yantoni, equation yala inverse function kabani ka-g, that is u-g to the exponent minus 1. Okay, now kuze sifumane inverse function ka-f senza the same thing. Endaweni ka-y sifaka bani, sifaka u-x, endaweni ka-x sifake bani u-y. So it's 2 to the y plus 3. Sifake log of x, thatha la 2 sizombhala apha, and then we drop the exponents ethu pa. So y plus o3. So solve for y equals log of x, ibase yethu ngu-2, and then this minus 1 minus 3. Now let's say bekuthiwa apha masizobe the functions i-graphs as the functions oyi-2 as if it's inverse function. Y equals log of x base 2, no y equals log of x base 2 minus o3. Okay, so kuze sizobe i-graphs azo masofuna sifumane intoni i-intercepts with the x's. So xa sifuna intercept x-intercept yala graph y equals, siqale ngale y equals log of x base 2. Xa sifuna i-x-intercepts we let what y abe ngu-0, so it's gonna be log of x base 2. So again kuze sifumane x wathatha lo 2 siyomxhoma phaa siyombhala phaa kwela cala u-0 simxhoma be-exponents like i-inverse or i-opposite yale nto siyenzayo xa sifuna ufumana i-log function. Okay, so x wethu equals u2 to the 0, 2 to the 0 ngubani ngu-1. So which means i-inverse kabani ka-g, that is u-g to the exponent 1, la inverse function iphuma phi, iphuma up. Okay, and then I dash la line y equals 0. Okay, so I now y intercept la function, because for y intercept of na senza ban x abe ngu-0, the minute the log of 0 is undefined. So that's why ngina y intercept, and that's also why I dash la line obani la vertical line y x into equals to 0, I dash la line. Fine, so it hasn't told you earlier. Okay, now sijonge if bekuthiwa masigraphe le function y equals sijonge if bekuthiwa masigraphe lena i-function y equals log of x base 2 minus 3. So this was the same thing. If besifake u0 pha endaweni ka-x, then it would mean that's no log of u0 base 2, log of 0 ngubani go undefined. So which means that I cross la line ngubani ngu-y, la line la etheni i-y axis, I touch back y axis, that is I intercept la line. Fine, so sofuna ntoni i-x intercept nalapha kule situation x intercept because i-y intercept I exist. Fine, so for x intercept we let y be 0, so say we let y be 0, y equals 0, so it's a log of x base 2 minus 3. So such a life is missing up here, so it's equals to 3 log of x base 2. So kuze sifumana x thatha lo 2 siyombhala ngapha sixhome u3 abe exponent yakhe. So this is easy mosayibona. So x equals ubani u8 because u2 to the exponent 3 ngu 8. Alright, so which means that lena igraph iphuma phi, iphuma apha yongena phi pha ku 8. Okay, so ila la graph with the log function engubani y equals equation I saw log of x base 2 minus 3. And I hope inverse function and also including your logs is that lolo hlobo.
It's amazing, so amazing, so amazing, so amazing. It's amazing, so amazing.